Hey dolls, so today we're going to be doing an extra vlogmas video. You're definitely going to be watching this video 2 or 3 days after Christmas, maybe a day after Christmas. Yeah, you're probably gonna watch this on the day after Christmas. So Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed your Christmas already. I hope you had a fun time. Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it. So today, me and my friends, I have the most amazing friends ever. Last minute, you know, one of my friends, Vonnie, she planned this really fun, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I've just not had the type of friends to want to go and do this with. We want to do the rooftop movie night, and she found where they're doing it here in Houston. So we're going to be going to that, and then so I don't even know what we're watching today, but we're going to be going to watch the rooftop movie night. I don't know what we're watching, and then we're going to be going to a bar, and it's I wanted to do this as well. I keep tagging. I'm going to be going with Vonnie and Marissa, which you probably by now seen anyway. You definitely see them in my vlogmas, so you get used to them. You're gonna be seeing them in a lot of my videos. Sorry, the sun is in my eyes, but I love it. It's giving me this nice glow. But anyway, so Vonnie planned this whole stuff for us today. So we're gonna be going to it, and I can't wait to see the bar, because the bar has really good drinks. I was gonna go regardless, but I was thinking I don't want to go on my own. So Marissa and Vonnie are gonna be going with us, with me, and we're just gonna go as a group, and I just can't wait. I just love being with my friends and having a good time. Good drinks, good food, good vibes, good people type of stuff. So why do I keep doing this with my hands? So I guess grab your coffee, grab your tea, dolls. Let's go on this cozy late night. Right now it's daytime, but it's about to be night really quickly, as you just saw the sun went out. Let's grab our coffee, grab some hot chocolate, because I'm going to be getting that first. And yeah, let's go.
Could be a dream, and I think down, plans would come true, and I think down, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up and boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. And a ding dong, plans would come true. And a ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Oh, and my outfit. Can we just get into this outfit? It's given rich vibes. It's given luxury. It's given I don't have to do any work for a living because I'm married to this multi-millionaire. It's given luxury. I love it. I got look at the pearls, in the velvet necklace. It's just given complete luxury, with the topped off with the red velvet lip. I just love it. I just love it. All right, let's go now, dolls. We're gonna go and get what's it called? So first stop is actually Starbucks, or wherever has really good hot chocolate, because I'm gonna need hot chocolate for this. We're doing a rooftop. We're gonna be outside, and I have to get my blanket. I've got my cute little pink blanket. Gonna put that in the car and do that first, and then go straight to what's it called? Starbucks. Let's go. I've been waiting for a long time to use this blanket, and I can finally use it.
I just don't understand it. Instead of feeling happy, I feel sort of let down. I know how you feel about all this Christmas business, getting depressed and all that. I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
Starbucks. Hello? Hello? Also, I went to Starbucks, and can you imagine they were closed? nobody there. And the weird thing is, normally when they're closed, they have like a sign at their window that says that it's closed for whatever reason, we're back tomorrow. There was no sign, so I was there for like a good 5 minutes saying hello, 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 because they had the screen like open to take orders. So I was just like there like a DCIK head, just saying hello to nothing. Nobody was there. Just a huge waste of time for no reason. So I'm now at McDonald's. Old McDonald's saves the day. So yeah, good old McDonald's saves the day because they're always open, they never close. Even when we have like a freeze in Houston, they are always up for business. Like no matter the weather, McDonald's always deliver. Sometimes like we make fun of McDonald's being like cheap and stuff, but they're always there. They're always like, if they're closed, then I think the world has come to an end, because McDonald's are not playing about their money. They are always open. But anyway, so I'm going to be getting a hot chocolate from here. Their hot chocolate is actually really, really good. I love McDonald's hot chocolate. And then I'll probably get some food as well to eat, because I don't know when I'm going to eat, and I have not eaten all day. I'm really, really hungry. I was going to wait till we get there. The girls say they're bringing snacks, so I'll see what they have too and eat here and there. You know what, this is like a festive time, so it's time to pig out regardless. So I'm just going to order. The line is so long, but it's so worth it. The hot chocolate here they have is really good, and my makeup still looks good, because like when I was taking off it was daytime. Now it's like, it wasn't daytime, it was like 5. Now it's like evening, so I don't know, I'm just like waiting. Like my makeup doesn't, it looks shiny, like it's starting to look shiny, because I have really oily skin, dolls. Like it just so oily. But anyway, bought 2 dolls as I'm waiting. The line is so ridiculously long, but as I said, it's gonna be so worth it because I'm so hungry that I cannot. And there's like a bit of traffic on the way going. This one car just reversed. It just no patience, he just doesn't want to wait, and I'm like, oh, another one bites the dust. So I'm happy, like it's reversing, he's trying to get out, so I'm just happy. I'm like, another one bites the dust, I guess no patience. And now the line's moving. Don't hit, there he is, the car behind me there, he just got out like very impatient. And now the line's moving. It's like, yeah, you just freed up some space for all of us who have patience. But yeah, like dolls, the holiday, 2 days, this is the 23rd of December, so it's like the day before Christmas Eve. It's my brother's birthday tomorrow, which you're going to be watching this when it's like the day after Christmas, but his birthday's on the 24th. So I'm just saying that. But anyway, it's just always busy around this time of the year. Like I can't imagine having a birthday around this time. Like the holiday rush, people just need to calm down and learn to be respectful. There's a lot of honking. People are very, very angry and just annoyed, and it's like people need to learn to calm down and just be respectful. And I get it, people want to get their food and stuff like that, but it's just like, it's so stressful. Like you see people just doing the most just to get in line first. Like this is one thing I don't like about Christmas time, Thanksgiving time, and times where like this end of the year rush, like people just do so much for one day. Like it's gonna be over in one day, but people just do, just, you know, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. Like you see it when you go outside, there's like so much honking, people get so angry trying to cut people off, only for one day, like just to get something, just to get a gift, just to get a turkey. Like you have to be that disrespectful and that ugly. Like I don't get it, I just hate it, I can't stand it. Can't stand humans sometimes, like it's just ugh. But anyway, I thought I might as well talk to you while I'm waiting in line, because what else would I do, you know? Moving. Oh my god, it's long, dolls. It wraps all the way, like it's long. No, can I have some hot chocolate? What sizes do you have for hot chocolate? Hot chocolate, I'm on the way now. I've got my fuel for tonight, so I'll see you dolls there. Bye.
I never get what I really want. What is it you want?
They're selling candy floss. So fun, look. It's really interesting. I've never seen that before. Look at these horses. How princessy. Look, dolls. Look. They've got these little horses. It's like a little white horse as well, look. How cute is this? You can get on the back and it gives you, I need to be on that because I'm trying to look for parking right now. I've arrived, but look, oh my god, it's a white pony. Oh my god, they are so gorgeous. Oh, horses, I love horses. I'm now looking for parking. Oh, it's really busy downtown. Like, it's really hard to find parking.
Turn right onto Avenue de los Am-
So we were not able to do the rooftop movie. I feel really bad. I feel really bad because Vonnie had to watch it on her own, and I was actually looking forward to it. As I said earlier, I've always wanted to do like a rooftop movie night. But the parking is insane downtown, like very expensive, and there's like no spots, and we're gonna have to walk a really far place to get to the car, and it's nighttime, so I don't want to do that. So we're now going to a place called Night Shift, and I'll see you dolls there. It's a really nice bar. I've wanted to go here for a long time, and finally doing it. It's all decorated Christmassy, and the drinks are Christmassy. So let me go now. It's like not far away. See you dolls when I get there. Name, it's gorgeous. Oh, it looks good. Oh, whoops, sorry. Wow. It is, right? Oh, look at that. Oh, we definitely have to go in here. Wow. The little hula. Bonnie said she's a few minutes away. Wow. Oh, and they have like something back here as well. Oh, it's like a restaurant. The jungle room, look. Yeah. Yeah, I know, right? Just in a different room. It's like pick your room, right? Oh, this one's called Xmas Disco. And then this one here is called, oops, sorry, oops. This one's called Uncle Jerry's Basement. Look. And then I guess down here is just like the bathroom and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, these are the drinks.
Yeah. Oh, these are their drinks. I'm sure they have more than these, yeah. Let's see their... Ooh, oh, we're not allowed in there, I'm guessing. Let's see their restroom situation. I always like looking. We're looking for some rooms. They have like so many in here. And then we're going to pick our favourite one. So this is the one we're in. Thank you. It's cute. Gorgeous. Oh, the outdoor air, I love it. Because that's open, right? Yeah. There's like no window. It's cute. Like I like how this one looks like.
And we can't. I do. I love mezcal too.
Yeah.
No, I mean I like it because I
This
love.
one looks fruity. Oh yeah, it is like pineapple and syrup.
But honestly,
they all look juicy though.
I'm not tasty. It is really tasty for sure. I'd say if you're gonna get 2 cocktails, those are the 2 to go for.
There's Bonnie's drink. What is your drink called? Azul Navidad. Looks good.
Yes, ma'am. It should be on the back of it. There we go.
Drink. It looks so good. I didn't make a mistake. Thank you. I love it. Oh, it's got a surfboard. So cute.
That is like the most plain Jane one.
Oh, let's do cheers.
But I like this little glass.
It'll probably be really tasty though.
Yeah.
Cheers. Looks good.
Actually, this uniquely shaped specialty glass is used by tiki bars and restaurants across the country.
So someone's gonna be mixing their own drinks at home.
Yes.
Wait, where's? Oh, she took it away. You can see the package of it. No, the front of it. What it shows. Oh, it's called Pearl Diver. Your personal set, yeah. Your personal set. Oh, love it. Oh, the dimensions. In case you want to order your own one. It's cute. So you're going to be mixing your own drinks. Love it. I love how they do that as well. They sell these to take, yeah, because other bars don't really do that. Yeah, that's cute.
So they have beach bum berries. They also have a
Oh, they have recipes in there. Even better.
tiki bar in New Orleans that was also like very delicious. And that's what they were doing the pop-up here. I was like, oh, I got
That is cute. So dolls, we had a fun time. I couldn't vlog much. My lipstick is smeared because of all the food we're eating. It was so delicious. I don't like vlogging my friends' conversations because, you know, I guess conversations are private. But I enjoyed today's vlog. I tried to show as much of my day as I could. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, dolls. If you enjoyed this vlog as usual, you know what to do. Give it a big fat thumbs up. It's 12 AM. I'm rushing home because it's late and everything.
Continue on Emancipation Avenue for half a mile.
Yes. Everywhere is very lonely and I just want to get home safely and I want my girls to get home safely. So we had fun. What a beautiful way to spend the week, end the week with my gorgeous girls before Christmas. We had good conversation, good laughs, and I loved it. So thank you so much for watching, dolls. I'll see you in my next video. I wish this video could have been longer, but yeah, next time it was really a lot, like from just going missing. No, we didn't go missing, we just couldn't find parking. So it was really, I feel like I spent more time in this vlog on camera in my car than
In a quarter mile, turn right onto St. Joseph Parkway.
I'm out. Drank some drinks. Well, I only had one drink, the one you saw. And I have a headache. So yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog because I'm just trying to get out of downtown. I just ran a red light.
Turn right onto St. Joseph Parkway.
So yeah, bye dolls. I love you dolls so much. See you soon. Wish me safety getting home, even though by the time you see this video I'm already home because I've uploaded this video. I'm so tired. But yeah, I had fun. It was a little nice Christmas place. Wow, this is an intro. But I'm just making it go longer because I feel like I didn't show you much. But yeah, love you dolls. Bye. Bye. Have a nice Merry Christmas. It's probably over Christmas now, day after, but Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you dolls. Bye.
Life could be a dream, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, boom, ba-do, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. And I ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang, boom, ba-do, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Oh, life, and I ding dong, if I could take you up in boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, shaboom, and I ding dong, plans would come true, and I ding dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to,